Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Julie, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my everyday cleaning routine. This is something that I pretty much do every morning. After we get breakfast done, I just go around the house, pick up things, do laundry if it needs to be done, pick up all the toys if they need to be picked up, and vacuum. We have 2 dogs and they both shed, so I pretty much vacuum every single day.
Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love.
If you see me scooting around dancing during this video, I love to listen to Luke Combs radio on my Google Home. Let me know in your comments below, what do you listen to while you're cleaning? Do you listen to YouTube? Do you listen to music? What do you listen to while you clean?
I tell him, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
Now, this is obviously something that I don't do every single day, but these pendant lights get really dusty. Our ceiling gets really dusty as well, but all the dust seems to just accumulate on these lights. So I'm just taking some of this multi-surface spray that I got at TJ Maxx and I'm wiping them down.
I don't know where she came from. It kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night with her, sprinkle one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
If you see my little air fryer over there in the corner, I recently got that. I got it at Goodwill for like $10 and it works perfect. It's like an extra large one. It fits all kinds of things in there. If you have any ideas or like recipes for me to try in my air fryer, I would love to know what y'all cook in there. So far I've tried chicken wings, I've did fries, And I also did some chicken breast. So let me know what you guys have tried in your air fryer.
What you're putting in, all your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring?
Unfortunately, I have seen some mice activity underneath my stove, and it's really grossing me out. So I had to get under there and vacuum out all of their little debris and make sure that the mouse trap was still, good under there. And I sprayed some Lysol because, like I said, oh my god, they're just gross. They just gross me out. Sprayed down my vacuum, all that. And I found a little trick on the internet, and it said that if you use peppermint oil around your house, then it can help deter mice from getting into things. So I'm just going to go ahead and put some on my vacuum filter to help fill the air with the peppermint oil, and I'll tell you if I think this works. I really hope it does, because I can't stand when a mouse gets in my house. And I did want to tell y'all, I found this vacuum. It is a Dyson Air Muscle. I think it's kind of like an older one, like an upright one. But I found it at Goodwill for $15, and I like it a lot so far. On my hardwoods, I don't think it does as good, like the big particles of dirt, like little, like bigger, like crumbs and stuff like that. It doesn't really pick up that good. But on the carpet, it does do really good. But yes, I have been using it, and I mean, other than like the hardwood floor, I think it does really good. And for $15, y'all, I think I got a pretty good deal on it.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it.
And that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please sure to subscribe down below and like this video for more content. and I will see y'all next time. Bye.
I'll try my best to always be there.